I'm going to braise chicken wings with Coca-Cola today. We have here 12 chicken meat wings, Coca-Cola, some sliced ginger, 2 small star anise, and 6 cloves. We start by mixing 1 teaspoon of soy sauce to the chicken wings. This is going to help the wings to brown. Pan fry the wings in batches. Fry on one side until brown. Do the same for the other side. Remove and set it aside. With some oil, saute the ginger slices until fragrant. Add star anise, cloves, and the chicken wings. Add about 1 cup of Coke until it just covers the wings. Add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce for color. Cover and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the wings are tender. When the wings are ready, remove the star anise and cloves. Add some soy sauce and salt to taste. Enjoy!